Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. So today guys, I'm going to show you how to water your plant the right way. There's a lot of people, new beginners, who's new to the garden world, even like myself back in the days. My mistake was, I grabbed the garden hose and I just spray all over like I'm crazy and watering the plant all over, and then come back another couple of days. I see all the dirt on my plants, and later on I see the bugs are eating out, leaves are gone, leaves are getting eaten out, and they're all dying. So today I'm going to show you guys very simple and easy how to water your plant the right way. I'm watering my plant the right way and it's been working great. Basically guys, what I have here is a regular garden hose and have all this stuff. So I normally put it on the shower part, but as you see, this here right here is not all the way full. I will open up full. I will open up a part of it. So I do not water my plant coming from the top. I don't do stuff like that. I used to when I just started off, and that was a no-no. So what I do guys, I come right here and I'll open it up, and then I put a little bit of water right there. See, soil. So basically guys, I'm just watering around the plant. I'm watering the root, and I'll just put a little bit of water. I'll watch it. Doesn't need a lot of water, and that's good. That's it. Because what I like, today's not, the sun is not that bright or hot, so I don't overwater the plant. I just put a little bit of water, and that's good enough. And that's it. It's so simple and easy. As you see my soil there, it's wet a little bit. It's perfect. There's no need to put in too much of water in your plant. It's unnecessary. You're wasting water, and you're gonna make the leaves turn yellow. That you're gonna make the soil turn so soft. It's not worth it. As you guys could see, my plant, it's rich green. The leaves are definitely dark green and giant leaves. Look at that. It's not dying. It's not dying. It's not turning yellow. That's what I learned from over the time, that watering is one of the main key too. So I come over to this guy. So I'm gonna show you right here. He's lower to the ground, as you guys could see. So if we're about to pour water on top of this plant, like this guy is touching the ground, he's gonna be pressed down. He's gonna press down, and all this dirt most of the time is gonna splash. It's gonna splash. You can see I got some pretty flowers coming up, bud coming up there, some flowers coming up. So all this dirt is gonna splash there. All the dirt is gonna splash, and that leads the plant to get more disease. The other day I had rain. Look, see this guy? See this guys? Rain fell on the garden, smashed that down. Sand, the dirt came on it, and that's how you get more disease to the plant. You get more bugs. You can see I have one or two ants here, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some cayenne pepper and get rid of that. So definitely, you could see here it's getting green, so it got pretty good water right here. See that soil? It's good watering right there. Some ants building some home here, which is no good for our plants, so definitely got to get rid of ants. So guys, overall, a recap in this video right now, I will tell you guys, watering is serious. I take watering to the plant very serious. You get the water on point, your plant is going to grow better. This is what I do when it comes to watering. If the weather is really hot, I water twice a day. I'm talking about at least 75 up degrees. It has to be 75 and up. Humidity, if the humidity is really high, you definitely guys want to increase your water. But make sure you watch it first, because if your plant is not in the sun, most of the time you wouldn't need to water. One time a day is perfect. Guys, I'm telling you from experience, when I started gardening, I just got the hose and I open it up, and basically I was killing most of my plant. It was sad, watching your plant and your hard work go to waste. And you were wondering if it's the bugs problem, or you're wondering if it's the sun, but it's not. It's the water. If you put too much of water, guys, the soil will turn green and your leaf will turn yellow. You're not gonna have anything to grow. It's probably gonna die. And if you're underwater, it turns yellow too, and it turns dry and crispy, like your plant was baked. Most of the time people think it's the hot sun. The hot sun does play a part of it, but if you're on top of your water game, the sun wouldn't affect it that much. It will probably, the hot, if it get up to like 80 to 90 degrees, it will probably burn the leaf just a little tiny bit, get it a little crispy. but you could bring it back. But if you have no water and the sun hits it, it's double impact, it's double stress, double heat. That could lead to serious injury to your plant. And that's my pet pig. Let me show you guys right here. So this is him right here, cries, complain. Yep, he cries, he complain. That's him telling me that he needs some spinach. So I'm gonna get this guy some spinach right now. And guys, hopefully this video was helpful. And you know, guys, if you like it and you're into the garden world and you're new and you want to learn more and you want to get more tips, guys, do subscribe to my channel. It's that red button on the side. Also give thumbs up if you like the video, and stay tuned for more video coming up, guys. I have a ton of more video, and you know, my goal right now is to help people, help the new people, and help everybody grow a better garden, better plant, and obviously produce a lot of fruits and get the best of the time, especially if you guys live in New York and places like this where we only have a couple months of the summer outside and we have to enjoy it. Why waste your time, right? And in summertime we only have a couple months, so within that couple months you could produce so much vegetables. Stay tuned, guys, for more video. GreenTGarden, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and give thumbs up for my video, guys.